Right here, R34 in Midnight Purple 3. I've only seen 2 cars that were ever painted Midnight Purple 3. Look at this. Very unique color, so it's kind of like this burgundy, copper, purple color. It's color shifting color. See, they added some carbon fiber canards. Let's see, some Advan wheels. Actually, well, I'm at the Advan booth, so that makes sense. See a D2 style hood. Really nifty stuff. I think, oh, that's interesting. It's got this fender there. I wonder if this is like an M spec. This may have been repainted. Not sure. I'll find out. What is this here? Does it say M spec on the back? No. Let me find somebody. I want to ask them about this car. This thing is pretty cool. Cool, guys. All right, so I found the owner. Here he is. What's your name, buddy?
I'm Al Norris. My name's Al Norris.
Al Norris. What's up, Al? What's up, Al? So I got a question. So I was looking at this car. Is this Midnight Purple 3?
This is Midnight Purple 3.
Is it originally Midnight? Oh, okay. So it wasn't repainted. Awesome.
Yeah,
awesome.
Actually it was. We did the Z-Tune catalog. Everything, you can see the skirts and everything, and instead of just doing 20% of it, we just did 100%, just to make sure it's clean, especially when I'm gonna keep the car. So.
Okay, awesome. So this is a R34 GTR with pieces from the Z-Tune catalog.
Right.
Yeah, because I noticed the front fenders there. The only car I've ever seen those fenders on was on an M spec GTR.
Right. Well, it's usually the Z-Tune option where you could put those. It's all functional. It all actually helps with aerodynamics and cooling the car as far as handling, believe it or not. So yeah, it had to be done, and it's way more aggressive, as you can see.
Oh, okay, yeah. That probably helps with releasing some of the high pressure air that builds up in the wheel well.
You can see the fenders, the heat comes out of this.
Yeah, the louvered hood.
Yeah.
It's kind of a D2 style.
Yeah, so it all works at the end.
Awesome, cool. So what else have you done on the car?
Honestly, a lot. Got a Bride Stradia 2s. That backs of them match the car. We ran with Project Mu brakes all around. Tane Monoflex with an EDFC adaptive, stabilizers.
Yeah, the electronically controlled dampers.
Right. Did some one-off twin turbo upgrades from Zona Rotor. These are actually the first. This car is the first in the world to sport these in the country. Sorry, in the country to sport these
awesome.
RZF2s. And on the other side is Hyper Black Racing. Vertex steering wheel. I got a sound system. Full exhaust Tomei titanium with a front pipe.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Dude, this thing is badass. I'll tell you that much.
And it's a street car.
I've only ever seen one Midnight Purple 3, and it was in Florida.
That's probably my friend.
Trap team?
Yep.
The Trap team?
Yep.
Yeah.
Pro. That's who I got.
I'm good friends with all those guys.
That's
they're
who I
cool.
got my hood and my bumper from.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. They're pretty much the only guys that get it.
No, it's not that. It's just the time frame of building the car.
Yeah.
Where it was we need it right now, so I did that.
And they had it. Yeah, they got some LMGT4 wheels for sale, I think.
Yeah. They have a lot of stuff, man. They have a really nice Silica Breath 34. I believe they have a V-Spec too. They have a white one. The guy has everything, so he's a really good people.
Awesome, man. Well, I'll catch you later.
All right, thanks a lot.